Okay, and I remember, the steps, and I always reread steps. And part of the stipulations, it says that there were text messages sent that appear to be text messages to make it seem as though the complainant was still alive.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did I read that correctly?
Yes, Your Honor. To multiple friends and family.
All right. Does anybody want to address that part of the stipulations?
No,
Okay.
like I said, at some point it snowballed and she got caught up in that.
All right. Anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor, just a reminder that we do have the family for victim impact on it.
All right. Ms. Diaz, I want you to know when the state makes an offer a cap of 25, always consider the full range, because when people offer a cap of something, so I consider 5 to 25. I don't automatically say, oh, I'm giving this person 25 or 24. I consider the entire range of punishment, okay? And I understand what the defense is asking for. I understand what the state is asking for, and I appreciate both people being reasonable in what they are asking for. All right, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. The court will give you credit for any time served. The court will sentence you to 25 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And counsel, I see that there were other mentions of maybe potential toxic relationship, abuse, that type of things. I'll request for you the mental health unit or the therapeutic unit, but you'll have to request it as well, because I don't have any jurisdiction to force them to put you in specific programs, but that may be of help to you. Okay. And your defense counsel will explain more to you about how you could potentially maybe get in those programs. Is there?
Would the court consider granting her credit for the time she was on the monitor?
No.